back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I organize my wardrobe. This video has actually been requested by a few people, so I thought that I would do it since I have nothing else to do while I'm at home. I did clean out and organize my wardrobe the other day, if you saw on my Instagram story. I didn't film that because I kind of started it a little bit spontaneously. I didn't plan on filming it, but I feel like it would have made this video too long anyway because I literally pulled everything out. I had it spread all over my room. I had to sort everything into boxes, sort out what I was going to donate, what I was going to sell, and it literally took me all day. It basically took me a day and a half because I started it that day and then I kind of just got sick of it and I didn't end up finishing it that day, so I had boxes all in my room and then I had to finish it the next day. But it's done now. So I thought that I would give you a little tour of my wardrobe and show you how I organize it. It's not very big, so this video is probably not going to be very long. But I like seeing people's wardrobes and how they organize it. I don't know why, but it's just so therapeutic to me, seeing how people organize their clothes and stuff. So yeah, I guess we should get into it. This is my wardrobe. Like I said, it's not super huge. Just the two sliding doors. So when you open this one, the first thing I have here is just like a little skincare station, I guess. I have one of my old mirrors there, and then I just have some of my current skincare, just so like when I get out of the shower and stuff, it is super easy to get to, and everything that I use on a daily basis or a semi-daily basis is all right in front of me. So I have my Good Molecules stuff, which I absolutely love and I'm almost out of, which makes me very, very sad. And then I have my Sand and Sky Pink Clay Mask, which is my favorite face mask at the moment. And then, I know this is probably weird, you guys probably weren't expecting the first thing to be a little skincare station inside my wardrobe, but I have nowhere else to put it. And then here, just get this focused, I have some different face cleansers. I have some Frank Body face scrubs and moisturizer, and then I just have a little spin brush and some more like lotions and serums and stuff back there as well. And then I just have a little Kate Spade bag, and that literally just has a lint roller in it and nothing else, but I thought I would just put it there for a bit of, I don't know, decoration. So that's my little skincare station. This top drawer is underwear, and then this second drawer is pajamas. It's a little bit messy, but I mean, it's mainly organized. I've got like my sets and stuff. I've got long sleeves. I've got these big fluffy pants, and then here I have all of my mismatched shorts and then t-shirts that I wear to bed. And then in this drawer, I have all of my short bottoms. So I have like denim shorts, a denim skirt. This is a skirt from Showpo. This is a pair of shorts from Witchery. That's like a leatherish skirt from, I think it's from Forever New. And then that is, I don't know what that is. Oh, that's like another skirt. I don't know where that's from. And then here I have all of my like random t-shirts that are a bit more casual. Well, these ones are like more just like random casual t-shirts. And then I have just some other shirts that are a little bit nicer. And then I have my two hats in here as well. I have my pink one, and then I also have my Monsters University one, which I got from Universal Studios, and it is my absolute favorite hat. I just think it's so cute. And then I also have my scarf. This is my favorite scarf that I wear in winter. It is from Cotton On. I take this absolutely everywhere with me in winter because it kind of doubles as a blanket. I took it with me when I went overseas and it was perfect, like on the plane and stuff. I had my own little blanket slash scarf. And then in this next drawer is all of my jumpers and jackets. So I just have a lot of like knit ones. I think that's a Calvin Klein jacket. I had it hanging up, but it was making a weird shape in the shoulders, so I put it in here instead. And then I just have like I think that's a Tommy Hilfiger sweater, and these two jumpers, more jumpers, some more knit jumpers, and then these are all like workout jackets that I don't actually wear that often, but I didn't want to throw them out. So I have all those, and then on this side is all of my scarves. So I have a few of like the infinity scarves. Most of them are like the knitted ones. And then I also have a little beanie, which I never wear, but I don't know, just in case I go to the snow or something one day. If we ever get let out of our houses, I thought I would keep that just in case. And then this last one, nothing to do with clothing. It's a little bit messy. This is like my body drawer. I have all of my body sprays. Hair care, tan, deodorant, lotion, all the good stuff. I do need to go through and organize this. Probably should have done it before the video, but I didn't. So this is what my body drawer looks like. And then up the top I have my TV, and then I have a bunch of Audrey Hepburn movies, and then there's a little pink box behind there that has my old formal dresses in it. I used to have them hanging on the back of my door, but I didn't like how it looked, so I took them off, put them in a little dress bag and popped them in that box there. And then up there I have my ring light, and then the two boxes, which I'll show you on the other side. On this side I have my dressing gowns. So I have one from Peter Alexander, well actually two from Peter Alexander, and then that one's from Love and Luster. So this one's my winter one, and then these two are more of like my spring summery ones. And then in here I'll also show you a different angle from the other side, but I have all of my dresses. They are all organized by like length. I have all my shorter ones on this side, and then I have some long sleeve ones, and then the longer ones on that side, but I'll go around the other side to show you. So I pull these across. So this is mainly what I worked on the other day when I organized my wardrobe. So up the top I've just got some shoe boxes. They do have shoes in them. One of them is like my thigh-high boots, and then I have some ankle boots, and then I think the top box is heels. But they're kind of just shoes that I don't wear that often. I mean, lately I haven't been wearing any shoes because I've been at home, but I didn't really have anywhere else to put them, so I just popped them up there. And then I have my Coach handbag up there, and then I have a Witchery bag that has a lot of coat hangers in it that didn't fit in my wardrobe, because once I put this thing in there I couldn't fit as many clothes hanging up, so I had to put some hangers up the top. But these two boxes have just like a bunch of random things in them. They are organized. A lot of the stuff is stuff that I plan on taking with me when I move out of home. I don't know if anyone else does this. I'm pretty sure people do this. I'm pretty sure it's a normal thing, but for, well, like as we get older, for Christmas and for my birthday and stuff, I ask for things that I can take with me when I move out. That actually reminds me, this bowl here is actually a salad bowl that my mum got me. I think it's from Cotton On, but it's a salad bowl, and it came with matching like salad mixes and matching little coasters as well. But it was really pretty, and I didn't want to just store it away until I move out, so I am using it as a little skincare holder. Yeah, so basically up in those two boxes are the things that I've gotten that I can take with me when I move out. So I have like mugs, I have tea towels, I have cutlery. I don't have any plates or anything like that yet. I have a few like decorations that I had in my bedroom when I was a little girl that I want to keep in case I have a little girl, and then I can put them in her room. And if I don't have a girl, then I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. But I just have a bunch of like random stuff in there that I'm gonna keep with me. So that is the top section, and then down here is my favorite part because it's so organized. I have all of my jackets and coats. This is my favorite one ever. It's from Bardo. It's just super long and pink and fluffy. And then I have my other coat, my grey coat, and then I have a black coat, and then all just cardigans and jackets. Down here I have a little tub, and that just has a bunch of my work shoes in there from Mimco, which I don't usually wear on a daily basis. Like I kind of only wear them when I'm working, and a lot of them are like past season, so I can't really wear them anymore, but I don't want to throw them out. And then I just have a Mimco backpack, and then I have my old laptop in there as well, which I keep because a few weeks ago my new laptop completely shut down, so I had to use that one. And then in this box I just have a few more bags, like some little backpacks and stuff, and then that is the case for my microphone that I use to record my covers. And then up the top here I have some bags. So I have my Mimco turn lock, And then I have my Kate Spade bag that I bought a few years ago. And then I have another Kate Spade bag that I bought years ago when I was in LA. Not the last time I went, but the time before that. The way I have organized this is by item and then kind of by color. So I have all of my long pants. I have my light wash jeans and my white jeans. And then I have this pair of like, they're not really tights, they feel like tights, but they're kind of knitted from Shopo. And then I have my black jeans, blue jeans, and then these like cargo pants from Bardo. So I have all of my long pants here. And then in the next one, I have a lot of t-shirts. Shirts that have like words and prints and stuff on them. And then this side is all of my plain t-shirts. So I have a few grey ones, a few white ones. That one should actually be on the other side with the white t-shirts. There we go. I have all of my white t-shirts and then black, and then that's just like a little peachy one. And then there are some more just like random t-shirts in the back. I have my Ariana t-shirt back there, but that's how I've organized that one. And then the next one is more knits and long sleeves. These are ones that I wear more often than the ones that are in the drawer. So this is a super humongous jumper from Victoria's Secret in pink, Victoria's Secret. And then this is like a cropped one, and then that is just like a random long sleeve shirt. And then here I have all of my other long sleeve shirts. Some of them are a bit more casual, some of them are a bit more fancy. Okay, let me get right down here. Then in this one I have singlets and bodysuits. So these are all my bodysuits on this side. I have green, this keeps going out of focus. I have green, blue, black, and like a burgundy one. And then these are all of my singlets on that side. So super easy to find. And then down the bottom here, I have all of my activewear. I don't have that much. My collection is slowly building. I've also worn a lot of it this week as well. So I have like 2 or 3 more pairs of tights that are in the wash at the moment. Because I work out almost every day, every second day, so I use a different set every day. So yeah, crop tops there, and then all of my tights here. And then on this side I have all of my dresses. So I have all of my skirts, my long skirts, and then I have all of my favorite dresses up the front here. That one's from Shopo, that one's from Shopo, that is from Fate the label, and then that one is from Kukai. And then this one I actually need to get fixed because it broke while I was in Hawaii. The strap snapped and I haven't gotten it fixed. I literally just tied it around the coat hanger, so I need to get that fixed. That's from Witchery. And then I have this one from Shopo as well. And then yeah, that's just all of my dresses. So it goes from long to short. That's all my dresses in there. And then because that's not enough room for all of my clothes, I have one more spot where I keep clothes, where I think you guys might have seen behind me. So I also have this little rack here. So on the top of this rack, I have my Gucci bag inside the box. I have my mini Mimco bag. And then I have my Givenchy bag, which is also inside the box. And then I have all of these clothes here. So these are kind of like, I don't know, I just picked them because they have kind of a nice aesthetic and I don't know, they just look nice. So this is a dress from Kukai. This skirt is from Glue, I think. I don't remember what the brand is. First Muse. This is from Lulu and Rose. It's also from Glue. And then I just have a little tie-up shirt from Glassons. I have my Michael Kors jacket, white denim jacket. I have a jacket from Valley Girl that I actually DIY'd, and I put the flowers on the back there. And then I have another cropped denim jacket, which is from Fate the label. This is my favorite at the moment. Then I have a lioness little blazer jacket, and then I have my leather jacket, which is from Bardo, I'm pretty sure. And then underneath I have another Mimco bag, and I have 2 Mimco shoe boxes that have my 2 current shoes in them that I would be wearing to work right now. Then in the box underneath that, some more shoes. So these are all just like my slides. These are from Senso, and then the other 2 are from Kmart. And that's it. I like to keep everything neat and somewhat color coordinated. But yeah, so that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy during this crazy time. All my social media links are down in the description bar, so you can go ahead and follow me on those. And also let me know what kind of video you would like to see from me next. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and click the notification bell to be notified when I do upload a new video. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.